This is the Lego all-terrain vehicle. It is a bit slow, but it has multiple functions on it. Like the hook turning round. The disadvantage of the hook is that the string can get caught around the rest of the hook. But another bit is that the hook goes down and up, and it can carry a load, quite a bit of load, like the rally truck, but it can't carry like the Mack truck, for instance. The outriggers come out, but they can come out at odd times, so you need to get the settings right on them. But they'll be uneven if you get the settings wrong. And the hook, the bit of the hook can go up and down quite high, but not as high as the crawler crane. A disadvantage of this model is that it can go forwards and backwards with the outriggers down, so the outriggers don't make they don't like keep the model in one place. Some good pieces of this model are the exclusive teddy bear, which you can only get in this one set, the mirrors, which are easy to make but still pretty cool, the exhaust pipe, which is made of simple parts, the lights, which you can make from like 6 to 8 parts. There are 2 motors in this. A battery box, a small motor and a large motor, and these chains which are around the model, which they can connect to pieces. The doors open outwards and upwards. No, the bonnet lifts up and down, and the pistons can also move if you spin the wheels round. And with the motors in, they also turn, but as it has a few not so good parts in it, I would only give this model a 7 or 8 out of 10.